Ever pondered over the risks astronauts confront every time they voyage into the unknown of space? Allow me to paint a picture. Space, the final frontier, is a realm of extremes. It's a vacuum devoid of air and water, where temperatures swing from blistering hot to bone-chilling cold. There's also the constant threat of radiation, a silent, invisible danger that can wreak havoc on the human body. In this harsh environment, astronauts are entirely reliant on their spacesuits. These aren't just outfits. They are life support systems, a personal spacecraft of sorts, designed to shield our space explorers from the hostile elements. They provide oxygen for breathing, regulate temperature, and protect against radiation. Over the decades, spacesuit design has undergone a fascinating evolution. Each new iteration has been a testament to our ingenuity, as we strive to make these suits safer, more comfortable, and more functional. The evolution of the spacesuit over time has been crucial in mitigating these risks and enhancing astronaut safety. Spacesuits have come a long way since the dawn of space exploration. Our journey through time takes us back to the early days of space travel, where the first generation of spacesuits were more than just clothes. They were life-preserving vessels for the brave men and women venturing into the unknown. Let's start with the Mercury suit, the first American spacesuit, introduced in the early 60s. Custom fitted for each astronaut, the Mercury suit was a marvel of engineering. It was designed to withstand the intense conditions of space, while also providing life support in case of cabin pressure loss. The suit was lined with a layer of neoprene-coated nylon on the inside and aluminized nylon on the outside, reflecting the harsh solar radiation. Then came the Gemini suit, a significant step forward in design and functionality. This suit was all about mobility, a critical factor for astronauts who now had tasks to perform outside their spacecraft. The Gemini suit introduced a new feature, joint mobility. This allowed astronauts to bend their arms and legs with ease, enabling them to work in the confines of the spacecraft and the vast expanse of space. These early innovations might seem rudimentary compared to today's high-tech suits, but they were groundbreaking in their time. They represented the audacity of human ambition and the relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. These early innovations laid the groundwork for the suits that would follow. The Apollo missions needed a suit that could handle the moon's harsh environment. Enter the A7L suit, a marvel of space-age engineering. This suit wasn't just about keeping astronauts alive in the vacuum of space. It was about making the impossible possible. Its layered design was a game-changer for temperature regulation. The layers worked together to keep astronauts comfortable, whether in the blistering lunar daylight or the freezing darkness. This was crucial for the Apollo missions, where astronauts faced temperatures that could swing from a scorching 260 degrees Fahrenheit to a bone-chilling -280. But the A7L suit wasn't just about temperature. It also needed to protect astronauts from micrometeoroids, tiny, high-speed particles that could puncture a suit and expose an astronaut to the vacuum of space. The suit's micrometeoroid layer was made of a special woven material that could spread the impact of these particles, essentially acting like a bulletproof vest for astronauts. The Apollo era was just the beginning. In the shuttle era, we saw the introduction of the launch and entry suit, designed specifically for the intense forces of takeoff and landing. Then came the extravehicular mobility unit, a suit that could support an astronaut for up to 8 hours in the harsh conditions of space. These suits paved the way for the innovation and improvements to come. Space exploration is advancing, and so must the spacesuit. As we steer into the uncharted territories of the cosmos, the protective gear that shields our astronauts must also evolve. The future of spacesuits is as thrilling and vast as space itself, with companies like SpaceX and NASA leading the charge. Take SpaceX's Starman suit, for instance. It's not just a suit, it's a testament to form and function, a blend of style and substance. Its sleek monochrome design belies the intricate cutting-edge technology within. Constructed with safety as a priority, it comes equipped with an emergency escape system that can be activated in just 2 seconds. It's not just about surviving in space, it's about thriving. But it doesn't stop there. Mobility is another crucial aspect of spacesuit design. Astronauts need to be able to move freely, to work, to explore. The Starman suit addresses this with its flexible material, giving astronauts a range of motion that earlier suits didn't allow. Imagine being able to bend, stretch, and reach as if you were in your workout gear, but in the vacuum of space. Now, let's take a moment to talk about NASA's Artemis suit. It's a marvel in terms of comfort, and adaptability. Designed for long-duration missions, it boasts a portable life support system with better thermal regulation, ensuring astronauts remain comfortable during their spacewalks. It also offers enhanced lower torso flexibility, allowing astronauts to walk, not just float, on lunar and Martian terrains. But what truly sets the Artemis suit apart is its modularity. It can be customized to fit each astronaut perfectly, accommodating a diverse range of body types. This is a revolutionary step in recognizing and respecting the individual needs of our space pioneers. The future of spacesuits is here, and it's awe-inspiring. It's about creating a second skin that not only protects but also enhances human capabilities. It's about exploration, not just survival. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And with these advancements, we're doing just that. These innovations will carry astronauts into the new era of space exploration. Innovations in spacesuit design have come a long way since the early days of space exploration. Let's take a quick jaunt down memory lane and recap the top 5 innovations that have revolutionized space travel. We started with Mercury's custom-fit design. Tailored to each astronaut's body, these suits were a feat of engineering that helped pave the way for future designs. Then came the Gemini suits, which introduced unprecedented mobility features, allowing astronauts to perform complex tasks in space. The Apollo era brought us the layered design, a game-changer that provided both protection from space's harsh conditions and flexibility for movement. The shuttle era gave us the launch and entry suits, which were designed for the intense conditions of liftoff and re-entry. And now, we have modern suits with their enhanced safety, mobility, and comfort features, truly a testament to human ingenuity. These remarkable advancements ensure our brave astronauts can explore the vastness of space safely and comfortably.